Hey guys, Bharat here. Been a long time since I did Lumosity and Raindrops. Just thought I'll try it out after a long period of time. Let's see how far I go. Let's get started. Oh, let's skip the tutorial. Thirteen 16, 2, 20, 15, 2, 17, 4, 24, 2, 36, 81, 11, 1, 10, 14, 15, 28, 3, 49, 1, 14, 6, 24, 5, 16, 1, 3, 14, 6, 13, 1, 21, 23, 38, 9, 15, 6, 20, 0, 20. 19, 13, 9, 21, 13. Oh, how did it go? That's 11, not 13. Okay. 1, 2, 22, 63, 6, 15, 12, 18, 5, 24, 19, 17. That's 29, not 19. 14, 19, 1, 14, 31. 1, 3, 24, 20, 40, 22, 26, 10, 5, 16, 1. Oh, been a long time, so definitely a large drop in score. Nevertheless, guessing the last time I did it was October, so it's about 3 months. And I have dropped from the 70,000 to 58,000. That's what happens when you're not practicing. Let's see if I can do better on the next time.